Merry Christmas guys! In this video I'll show you how I planned my 2021 goals and my vision board, how I use my planner with some very useful tips, so watch till end. So this is my planner for this year. It is from Simbaalifestyle. I found it very attractive and creative, so that I'll open it every day with so much of interest, and also it is very great for use too. They have included vision board inside planner only, which is very great. Then there is this categorized goals page with 2 blank sections to customize it. Then this is again kind of mini goals and this very useful needs and wants to save money. And then this have my heart. They have this Polaroid memory page. Then 21 things to do in 2021. The next page is about yearly planning, and then with these beautiful postcard, the monthly section starts, and then the to-do list. They also have the expense tracker, monthly checkup and habit tracker in every end of the month, which is very useful. I will discuss each and every section in detail and how I personally use in some time. If you wanna buy like this planner, link is in the description box below. Take a look at my beautiful vision board. So now I will discuss how exactly to use planner. So the very first section is to fill the details. Don't forget to write contact details in case you lost this precious gem, so you can get it back. The next section is vision board. What I did is created a list of goals like you have to achieve next year. Then to find images that represent those goals, write it down, and then find pictures on Pinterest or anywhere. Then made a collage on Canva, digitally made the vision board, and then stick it on my planner. And yeah, it was done. Then comes the goals section. For that, do this. First write down your 3 main big goals and then break it down and write it into these categories. Try to include at least 2 goals in each categories. Then make your to-do list considering these goals, and that's what we call an action plan. You can fill the extra space with your own categorized goals such as YouTube, travel, self-care, etc. Then the next page is kind of mini goals, like what you want to try new or what you want to quit, learn, improve, etc. Then there is this wish list page. Suppose I'm planning to buy anything. So to make sure that I'm not spending unnecessarily, I'll write it down in wants section like camera, then like new phone. Then I'll have enough thought on if I really need it and so on. Next section is amazing guys. It is about to stick any one memory from month as a Polaroid. So after 1 year you will have your memories together pictured here. Amazing, right? I personally loved this idea. Then here is to list 21 things which I want to do before 21 ends. It could be anything small or big. Then comes the yearly to-do list, which I don't use personally. You can use it as per your use. Then comes the monthly planner. Here the month starts by writing a letter to yourself including life goals, health and work goals, etc. Then in calendar you can fill important dates, appointments, etc. you don't want to miss. There's this extra space for notes to write anything important. Then comes the everyday use page, that is to-do list. You can use it as to-do list or as journal if you write your to-do list on sticky note. Then in the end of the month you can track your expenses, your habits, so that you know you're not wasting any money. Now some essential tips so that you use your planner efficiently. Keep your planner visible. Please use it every day at particular time. Use it in as simpler way as possible and be consistent. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel.